There's so much static.
Receivers can be automatically activated
Go ahead and
warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance.
both 100s failed.
I do this so much intelligence.
And every 300 except for the PA failed.
Weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone,
Why does it so
will
much
vary at any
static?
given location.
Yeah.
This variability, normally more
Did this work, though?
greater distances from
Yes.
the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order.
I love that thing.
The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Laurel, Muskingum, Perry, Chipaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station GIG 86.
It's KIG!
It said KIG.
It's a GIG.
It said KIG.
Oh, a minute early.
Funny.
Weather radio warning alarm for WWG57 for the central highlands of Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between